Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I am Sharon, and in today's video I'm gonna do my favorite nude lipstick. And yeah, if you wanna know which are my favorite nude lipstick, then please continue watching. So yeah, starting off with this lipstick right here, I've put a lot of gloss on top of it. Yeah, to look a bit sultry. Yeah. By the way, this is the Lakme lipstick. It's a peachy kind of a shade. It's a really pretty kind of a lipstick, for fair to medium skin tone, and I really like it. I'll link it in the bottom bar below for you guys, so make sure you check that out. And this is how this lipstick looks. This is not fully opaque. This is a creamy formula, and this is a peachy color, very pretty color. And it just, I don't think it lasts really well, but it just keeps your lips really hydrated and moisturized, which I really like. So yeah, if you want to get a creamy and peachy kind of a shade, which is really beautiful, so you can go for this. And if you're fair to medium skin tone, yeah. Next lipstick. So this is the next lipstick. This is from Blue Heaven, and this is the shade right here. This is a matte formula. This is in the shade Splash, Chocolate Mood, and this is a Splash lip color. Really pretty lipstick, and it just lasts you 2-3 hours really well. And this is how it looks. It's really chocolatey, and this can be worn by suit all skin tones, be it fair, medium and deeper. This is really a chocolatey kind of a shade, which I really am liking it. I'm loving this. Last summer I just used this lipstick. I really adore this lipstick. Don't forget to check this out. This is just for ₹150, and this is worth every penny. I love this. This is the next lipstick. This is from Maybelline Touch of Spice, cult favorite of everybody. This can be worn by or medium to fair to medium skin tone, and it will look really pretty. This is really flattering shade, and I just can't stop looking at it because it's really pretty. It's a pinky kind of a nude shade, has a little bit of mauve undertone to it. This is how it looks like. It's a really pretty shade. I think if you are like a college going girl, an office going girl, and you feel a cracky kind of lip, you can go for this. This is really creamy formula and really lasts you a long time, 4 to 5 hours. It just really pretty. So the next lipstick is also from Maybelline. This is in the shade Nude Nuance, and let me apply that. This is a cocoa shade. I love this shade. I really like this shade. This is also one of the most selling lipstick from Maybelline, creamy mattes, and this is how it looks like. This is really pretty, and I really like it. With smoky eyes and new lip, this looks really flattering. And I think all my girls out there, medium to fair to medium skin tone, can definitely have to try this out. This is really pretty, and the formula is amazing. Everything is amazing. I think Maybelline does great lipstick in budget. So I got a combo for this during the sale. Yeah, each one of it costs ₹299, which is 300 and 300, and I got this for combo for ₹400. I saved 200 rupees, which I'm really proud of. Trust me, I'm really proud of, because it's so pretty. This is neutral. It has neutral undertones, so any one of you with warm or cool undertones can wear this and rock the shade. I love this. So next shade is again from Lakme, and this is a coral kind of a shade. This is a shade, it's just so fresh, and you know, I'll apply this. This is not opaque as such, but it looks like my lips but better. It's creamy when you apply it, and once it like dry down, it's completely matte. So one thing to remember with this shade, you have to scrub your lips really well before applying this shade, because this can, you know, do wonders or just can break up. Okay, this is the shade Coral Incentive. Oh, it's really pretty shade. This looks like my lips but better. You know, it looks so flushy. I love it, you know. So yeah, moving on to this shade. Oh, I love this shade. This is a terracotta kind of a shade. Oh my god, I can't stop looking at this shade because this looks really flattering. Even for, you know, like really deep skin tone, this kind of looks really flattering. But for medium skin tone, you can rock this shade. This is such a beautiful terracotta shade. This is from Gala of London, long stay lip color. This is how it looks like. This is really pretty. But the main problem with this is, you know, it leaves kind of a butthole effect. It's not long lasting as such, but it's really pretty color. You can't go wrong just for rupees 250. This shade is for just rupees 250, guys, you know, and it looks really pretty. I don't think so there must be any problem applying this shade. I really like this shade. I'll leave all the links in the bottom bar below for you guys. Please don't forget to check out, and if you like the video, please don't forget to give it a like, give it a big like, do subscribe to my channel, and please hit the, you know, notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye guys, enjoy your quarantine.